Hi everyone, I'm Mark Duchesne and I look after the manufacturing here at BYTON. So our plant in Nanjing is in full work right now, getting prepared for our start of production in December. The best way to have absolute control on the quality of our car is to make sure that we control every facet of that car building. Currently right now, as you can see, we're in the midst of finishing the construction of our buildings, and we've begun installing the equipment that's going to build the car right now. Because we want to produce the highest quality car that we can, we partnered with companies that are very much like us. By the end of the year, we're making your cars, and I guarantee you the cars that we make for you are going to delight you like no other car you've ever seen.